I was at Joann's and saw this beautiful mesh fabric with sparkling sequins bows. I immediately knew what I wanted to do with it. I'm going to pair it with the green taffeta that I bought this year. It's going to be a fancy bustier dress with a big long skirt. The top will be made out of this nude satin fabric, which I interfaced so that it doesn't stretch. I'm using a random pattern of bustier that I got from the internet a while ago. Each cup has 3 small pieces that I'm sewing together, pressing the seams and top stitching over them. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to attach it to the foam cups that I made a few months ago. I don't like making them, but when I do, I make an extra pair. As for the lining, I'm using a piece of a nude cotton fabric from my stash. I'm going to sew the edges, then turn it right side out. Now I'm making tunnels for the boning. I haven't made a bustier top in a while, and I unintentionally missed a few things. I forgot to top stitch the seams and didn't understitch the top edge of the bodice. It's not a deal breaker, so I'll just continue the way it is. I'm using a hand press tool to punch the eyelets for which the lace will go through to tie the bustier together. And now I'm inserting the boning into the channels, which gives the bustier its form. Here I'm cutting out the sparkling sequins bows, being very careful not to cut the thread on the edges. Then I'm going to hand sew the bows onto the bustier. And here's what I have. I like the random placement of the bows. As you can see, I already sewed a gathered skirt onto the bustier. It's made out of 3 pieces of green taffeta fabric, 1 very wide rectangle for the front, and 2 smaller ones for the back. The back could be a little better, as the laces are pulling the fabric, creating small creases. I think it could be avoided if the placement of the eyelets were even closer to the boning. Or is it possible that this is not the issue? Let me know what you think about it. I was hoping to have this completed before Christmas, but due to the hassle of the holiday season, time got away from me. I'm so glad I was finally able to finish it now, and I know that if an event comes up, I have something beautiful to wear. Thank you all for watching, and see you next time!